In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto start Steam in big picture mode. If you use a controller, play on a TV, or just prefer a simplified full screen interface, big picture mode makes Steam feel more like a console. Setting it to auto start means every time you open Steam, it jumps straight into that controller friendly view without extra clicks. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Look up to the very top left corner of the Steam window. You'll see the Steam menu label there. Click that Steam menu to reveal a drop-down of options. This is where most of the app's global preferences live. From that drop-down, click Settings. This opens the main preferences window for Steam. If your Steam client uses a different theme or has been recently updated, this window might look a little different, but the options we need are the same. Inside the Settings window, find and click Interface in the sidebar. Interface is where Steam keeps appearance and startup behavior controls. If you don't immediately see it, scroll the sidebar. It's usually near the top, and it's the place that controls what you see when Steam launches. Now, in the interface panel, locate the option labeled Start Steam in Big Picture Mode. Click the checkbox to enable it. That's the key switch. When this is turned on, anytime Steam launches, it will skip the standard desktop library and open straight into big picture mode. Steam typically saves this setting right away, but if your window shows an apply or OK button, go ahead and confirm the change to lock it in. To confirm everything worked, close Steam completely and open it again. You should land directly in big picture mode on launch. If you ever want to go back to the regular desktop interface, just return to the same interface section in Settings and uncheck that option. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're using a controller, Big Picture Mode is designed so you can navigate the whole interface without a mouse, which is great for couch gaming. If you want Steam to start automatically when your computer boots so you land in Big Picture right away, there's a separate option in Settings to run Steam at startup that you can explore later. And if you don't see Big Picture Mode after enabling the setting, make sure your Steam client is up to date, then try restarting Steam. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've set Steam to auto start in big picture mode, making your gaming setup faster, cleaner, and more controller friendly every time you launch.